Hi guys, we're headed into Burlington right now, and if I purchase anything, I'll show it at the end of the video. So let's go inside. Okay, so they have this vegan purse right here, and it's by Emperor, and this is for $19.99. Very nice cream. They also have this BB, and it's for $24.99. Have this one here. The brand is by Esno and Jotili. It's $14.99. Very nice. Oh, look at this one right here. This is really cute with the bow. It's like patent leather. And this is $22.99. And it's a Betsy Johnson bag. It's very nice. I like that. Okay, they have this one right here. This is like a denim. And it has the white and it's folded. And this is for $12.99, and it also has a tassel on it and has the gold chains. That's nice. They have this other bag right here. This is also Betsy Johnson, and this is red tag for $19.99. Says Betsy Johnson right there. It has the chains and some hearts right here. The detail. That's nice. You also have a Calvin Klein right next to it, and this is for $59.99. Looks like that. And it has the back part to it. So these are all their purses that they have. Let me show you guys. Also, they have a 9 West. It's a cute little date night bag. I like this. This is cute. Pretty color also. And this is for $12.99. Okay, they have this brush set here by BB. It's BCB. And it's for $9.99. They also have this Wet n Wild set right here. And that says compared to 30. Let me get this off for you. Ooh. Right here. And this is for $12.99. This is a very nice set. I like the colors in this. I'm just gonna leave this right here. Okay. And then I have to show you guys this. They have this big mirror right here. This is Hollywood Venus mirror, and this is on sale, red tag, and it's for $59.99. This is a real big mirror. It has 3 lights, color, temperature, 1 button control, land lasting, and beauty power adapter included. So that's a very nice mirror. Not bad. They have this nice felt hat. I don't know if it's on sale. I love the color. This is nice, very neutral color. And this is for $7.99. Okay, so let's get into the shoes. They have this, I like the halo color on these shoes, and this is Guess. And this is size 7 for $14.99. And sorry for the music in the background. I got to talk a little bit louder. These Nautica platform shoes here. These are $19.99. I like the color concept. They have this pretty like burnt orange, I want to say. It's for $24.99. And this is by Mark Fisher. Very nice. These red Andrina Benedini, and these are red tag for $14.99. It has a nice silver brooch right there. They have this Anne Klein here, nice yellow, and this is for $24.99. Then you have these right here. These are nice, and these are by Catherine Maladrino. They look like that. These are size 7. And these are for $19.99. Okay, they have another one of these. Same Andrine Meladino. These are also $19.99. I love the color on these. They have these guests here. Nice red guests. These are $19.99. And I think Fila is really coming back. I like these. White with pink. These are $24.99. Okay, they have these by Sugar. And these are $10.99. And they are 7.5. My daughter told me to get these, but this was a little bit bigger. I would have sure got these. Okay, guys, look at her. Isn't she gorgeous? Yes, she's serving. That's $29.99. And then this one here is $14.99. I like her. She give an attitude. This is just their wall decor. And this one says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, faith. And this one is $24.99. Wall decors. These for me is more like kind of outdoorsy, but I like those. Thank you. It says Easter blessings here. Like that is so gorgeous. I love the color concept and everything with this one. And oh gosh, this right here says, I am my mommy's world and my daddy's girl. That's perfect for my daughter, and that's $14.99. This is where they have all their plants, their fall plants. I like this one here. This is really nice. And this is for $12.99. Oh, I love elephants. This is so pretty. $6.99. Then you have one here with a succulent inside. This is $5.99. Oh, look at this pink pretty rose. Oh, that is really nice. And this is for $7.99. Like you can hang that. Then you have this here. This is for $9.99. And I like this also. This is really nice. $9.99. So yeah, this is all their flower section. And here is all the real nice decorative stuff. This right here is real lightweight. And I don't see a price for this. Let me see. No. But that's real nice. And then you have a tray here. Something happened to this one. You have all these candle holders. Elephant, $14.99. Then you have these here. They are stackable. So you can stack them if you want, or like that. And the small ones are $7.99. And the big ones are $5.99. And you have a bigger set right here. And then look at this tray. This is faux fur. And this is $12.99. And then over here you have these candle holders. Again, another set. And it's $49.99 for that. It has a little weight to it, so I would think that it was worth it. Then you have all these here on this side. And then this one here caught my eye. This is $12.99 and it's real light. That is light. So this is for $12.99. You have this one here. It's $9.99. Then you have this like a mother and a baby, and a daughter, or a child, mother and a child. And this is for $9.99. Then you have this one here. This is really nice. Can I get to it? Tell you guys the price. $12.99. So that is it. I like some of these home decor pieces. Okay, if you love wind chimers, They also have some here, $16.99 for this one. It has elephants on there. That says Happy Easter with a cross. This has a nice, it's a butterfly. These are the seashells. This one with the butterfly is $19.99. I don't see a price on this one. They have the peacock right here, $12.99. Oh, and you have a hummingbird. This, yes. Guys, this is nice. I don't think my camera is doing it justice, but it has a hummingbird on there. This is $16.99. You have another one here with an elephant again. And that is also $19.99. Like that. Okay. And then they have here, oh God, I forgot what they call these. But then you see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. And each one of these are $5.99. They're really light. Then you have a frog. This is a couple, $3.99. Those are they Buddhas? Let me know if they're Buddhas. I think they're Buddhas. Then they have these pineapple glasses. These are real light. They're plastic. Yeah. These are $3.99. And it has a pineapple, and I guess the grass on the inside. And then we're going to switch over, see if it has any men's shoes here. They have these black Pumas here. These are $39.99. I like the black. It's like matte black. They have these here. These are Levi's. And these are for $24.99. And then they have this other color here, same Levi's. Have another Levi's here also, $19.99. They have these Calvin Klein, $39.99. Okay guys, so that is it. We're all done in Burlington. See you guys in the next video.